Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So, I am your GK teacher from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Yesterday I sent you the video of the revision of topic first and second. Today I am going to do the revision of topic 11 and for 11 and 14. Today we will do the revision of topic 11 and 14. So, topic 11 is around the world. Topic 11 is around the world. See here, there are 195 countries in the world. In whole world, how many countries are there? There are 195 countries in the world. Each country has a famous landmarks. Pictures of some famous landmarks are given below. Means in our world there are total 195 countries and each and every country has a famous landmark. With their landmark that countries are known. So some few pictures are given. You see here at down. Here some famous landmarks are given below. We have to observe the name of the country. Okay. Some landmarks are given. They are very famous landmarks. So we have to observe the name of the country of that by observing the landmarks. So come here first to identify and name the country where the following landmarks are situated. Means we have to identify the landmarks and name the countries, and so where it is situated. Take the help from some the help kits. Means set down it is given the help kits also for you. With the help of this you know the spellings and all. See here, now I will explain you topic for see here, question number 1, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa is a landmark of which country? Yes, it is a landmark of Italy. The spelling of Italy is Italy. The spelling of Italy is Italy. Italy. After that, second one is White House. White House is also a landmark of a country, United States of America. In shortcut we say USA. In shortcut we say USA. So White House is the landmarks of United States of America. After this come next third one. See here, Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is the landmark of England. Tower Bridge is the landmark of England. It is also very famous landmarks. The spelling of England is England. England. Got it? Next come here. Temple of Temple of Luxor. Temple of Luxor, that is also a landmark of a country, Egypt. It is the landmark of country Egypt. See, the spelling of Egypt is Egypt. Egypt. In Egypt, Temple of Luxor is the landmark. Then next one, fifth one, that is Brandenburg Gate. Brandenburg Gate. It is in Berlin. This landmark is situated in Berlin. The country Berlin. Spelling is Berlin. 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 After that, next is Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is a landmark of a country, Peru. Machu Picchu is a landmark of a country, Peru. The name of the country is Peru and the spelling is Peru. The spelling is Peru, Peru. After that, 7 questions here. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is also a landmark of a country, Zambia. It's a landmark of a country, Zambia. Okay, Zambia. The spelling of Zambia is Zambia. 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 After that, next 8 ones here. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is the landmark of a country, Cambodia. It's a landmark of a country, Cambodia. The spelling of Cambodia is Cambodia. Spelling is Cambodia. Cambodia. Cambodia is a country whose landmark is Angkor Wat. Next is 9th one, come here. Great Wall of China. I think this is known to all of you. Great Wall of China. It is very famous landmarks of country China. The spelling of China is China. China. Okay. So once again I repeat all these. See. First one is Leaning Tower of Pisa. This landmark is situated in the country Italy. Second one is White House. This landmark is situated in the country United States of America. United States of America. Spelling is UNITED. United States States of America. 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 It's short form, so we say USA. Okay. That next one here is Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a landmark located in England. And then Temple of Luxor. Temple of Luxor is located in Egypt. This landmark is located in Egypt. Then Brandenburg Gate. Brandenburg Gate is a landmark situated in the country Berlin. Sixth one is Machu Picchu is a landmark situated in a country Peru. Then seventh one, Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is a landmark of country Zambia. Victoria Falls is a landmark of country Zambia. Angkor Wat is the landmark of country Cambodia. Angkor Wat is a landmark of country Cambodia. Then Great Wall of China is a landmark of country China. Great Wall of China is a landmark of country China. So after this I have completed the revision explanation of topic 11. Now we will study about the topic 14. We will do the revision of topic 14, that is world's superlatives places. Words, superlatives, places. In this we have to answer the following question. So in answer the following question, there is a questions and the answers. Okay, I put the question and then I will say the answer also. The first one is, what is the name of the world's largest continent? What is the name of the world's largest continent? Yes, can you say? Yeah, you have already studied in SST also. Can you guess? The largest continent is Asia. The world's largest continent is Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent. And second is, what is the name of the world's largest island? What is the name of the world's largest island? Can you guess? Yes, it is Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island. Greenland is the world's largest island. The spelling of Greenland is G-R-E-E-N, Green, L-A-N-D, land. Now come to question number 3rd, that is, what is the name of the longest river of the world? What is the name of the longest river of the world? Nile. What is the name? It is Nile. Spelling is N-I-L-E. Nile river is the longest river of the world. Nile river is the longest river of the world. Now come to question number 4, that is, what is the name of the world's tallest mountain? What is the name of the world's tallest mountain? Yes, it is Mount Everest. It is Mount Everest. The spelling of Mount Everest is M-O-U-N-T, Mount, E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest. Again I repeat, M-O-U-N-T, Mount, E-V-E-R-E-S-T, Everest. Mount Everest is the world's tallest mountain. Now 5th question, what is the name of the world's largest freshwater lake? What is the name of the world's largest freshwater lake? It is what answer is? Lake Superior. Lake Superior. Spelling is L-A-K-E. Lake S-U-P-E-R-I-O-R. Superior. Lake Superior is the world's largest freshwater lake. Now come to question number 6. Okay. In question number 6, what is the name of the world's largest volcano? What is the name of the world's largest volcano? Mauna Loa, that is also known as Hawaii. Mauna Loa, also known as Hawaii. Spelling is M-A-U-N-A, Mauna Loa, L-O-A, Loa. It was also known as Hawaii. That is spelling is, it is given in brackets here, H-A-W-A-I-I. Hawaii is the world's largest volcano. Is the world's largest volcano. Now come to question number 7. What is the name of the world's deepest and biggest ocean? You have already studied in SST also, okay? Can you guess what is the name of the world's deepest ocean? Yes, it is the Pacific Ocean. It is the Pacific Ocean. Spelling is P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Pacific, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. Yes, the Pacific Ocean is the world's deepest and biggest ocean. Now come to question number 8. In question number 8, what is the name of the world's highest waterfall? What is the name of the world's highest waterfall? Fall. Yes, can you guess? It is Salto Angel Fall. Salto Angel Fall. Spelling is SALTO. Salto ANGEL. Angel FALL. Fall. Salto Angel Fall is the world's highest waterfall. Okay, got it? The Salto Angel Fall is the world's highest waterfall. Now come to question number 9. Where is the world's deepest lake Baikal located? Where is the world's deepest lake Baikal located? It is located in Siberia. Siberia. Spelling is SIBERIA. Siberia. Yes, Siberia is the world's deepest lake Baikal located. Yes, in Siberia, the world's deepest lake Baikal is located. Got it? Next, now come to 10. What is the name of the world's hottest place? Death Valley. Death Valley. Spelling is DEATH. Death VELLY. Valley. So Death Valley is the world's hottest place. Death Valley is the world's hottest place. So by this I have completed the revisional explanation of topic 11 and 14. So please go through this video, and please I will send the written notes also. So please write it in your PC copy. Whatever the exercise I will send you, write it in the PC copy, and don't forget to complete it whenever you will come to the school. Please submit to me for the correction. So please take care. Don't waste your time in playing games and all the things in mobile. Please be concentrate on your studies and be prepared for the periodic term exam. So please write it, whatever the revisional notes I am sending in GK, every note should be written in PC copy. This is homework from me to you. Okay, then thanks. I will meet me in the next video.